In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pine script in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from the home page to seeing a Pine script applied on your chart, with a few tips to keep everything clear and smooth. First, open your web browser and head over to tradingview.com. Give the page a moment to load so all the charting tools appear correctly. TradingView works in any modern browser, and the layout may look slightly different depending on your screen size, but the controls you need are always there. Next, look to the right side of the interface to select a symbol. This is where you choose the market you want to view, whether it's a stock, a crypto pair, or a forex pair. Click the symbol you want so TradingView loads a chart for that market. Don't worry too much about the time frame or chart style right now. The goal is just to have a chart open so you can attach your Pine script to something. Once your symbol is selected, click on Full Chart. This opens the advanced charting workspace, which is where all the powerful tools live. You'll see more room for your chart, plus panels that let you manage scripts, indicators, and settings. This view is ideal because Pine script tools are easiest to access here. Now find the Pine option on the right side. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Pine, Pine script, or Pine editor. Click it to open the Pine panel. This panel shows you the code that will be added to your chart. If you're opening it for the first time, TradingView often provides a basic template so you can see the structure of a script. If you already have code in there, that's what will be used. Take a quick look to confirm the script in the panel is the one you want to apply. Finally, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the script and apply it directly to the chart you have open. If it's an indicator, you'll typically see lines, overlays, or a separate pane appear. If it's a strategy, you may notice performance metrics and visual trade markers. If nothing appears, check the chart's time frame or zoom level, as some scripts only show signals under specific conditions. That's it. You went to TradingView, chose a symbol, switched to the full chart, opened the Pine panel, and added the script to your chart. Practice this flow a couple of times and you'll be able to do it in seconds whenever you want to test or use a Pine script. Thanks for watching and happy charting.